there! I've already done a video how to deploy Laravel app for free, and today we will talk about how to deploy Frontend part for free. We will explore deployments platform as GitHub Pages, Netlify, and Vercel. Let's start from Vercel. Open your browser, type Vercel, and click on first link. I was already logged in. You can log in using GitHub or Google, any appropriate way for you. Click Add, New, and choose Project. In section Import Git repository, choose one needed and click Import. I don't have any special commands to run, so just make a deploy. And we need to wait a little bit. Now move on to Dashboard and navigate to your site. And yes, we see an error not found. It's because I need to tell Vercel how to work with my roles, and to do it by adding Vercel config. Something went wrong with my Vercel app. It just didn't see my last commit, so I decided to add my app again and repeat steps from the beginning. And okay, moment of truth. And yeah, we see that's working. Move on to Netlify, and I tell you in advance, we will have the same problem with routes. To prevent it, adding file redirects without extension. Commit your changes, and then click Add New Project button, import an existing project. I choose GitHub and my project. Now enter project name and deploy. Waiting for it. And it's not working, because I forget that redirects file should be in public folder, not just in root of project. So in the deploy section, I force a redeployment by selecting retry with last branch commit, but in general Netflix redeploys it automatically. And yes, now it's working as expected. And be careful with your links, because I used template from Tailwind CSS for my navbar and I didn't check links, that's why it went 2 or 3 hours to find out that everything was because of these links. You need to use route links from view router and not a tag. It worked for Netlify and Vercel, but not for GitHub Pages. So, firstly, check your route.js file. In history, there should be create web history with value import meta env base URL. Then open your white.config.js file, and inside you need to add base section with your repository name, like in my case airway admin, and block to specify the entry point for the build. Move on to packages.json and add script that creates production build in dist, makes client-side routing work on static hosting. Next, use command to install dependencies for GitHub pages. Build the project. All the commands you will find in the description. Next, deploy our project. And as with the top script before, it should create a separate branch for GitHub pages. But we have an error. For this time, I will create it manually using git commands. Then return to main branch and deploy it again. And we have no errors. That's great. Move on GitHub repository. In settings, find tab pages. In my case, Git find out it automatically. So check that GitHub pages branch should be chosen with root directory and save it. After this, it takes a few minutes to deploy, and then you should see link to your website. And yeah, it's working. Something went wrong with my styles, but I will check out later. We also can check that our function's working. To make the application deploy automatically, I added the script to the GitHub Workflows folder. Also, if you're using React, you might run into issues with routing, as we've seen in other applications. To fix that, additionally, add this script which you see on your screen and run the deploy command. Thank you for watching this video, and let me know below in the comments was this video useful for you or no, and see you next time. Bye!